In a previous video, we spoke about how you can leave an inheritance to a beneficiary in such a way that would protect it from problems like divorce, creditors, lawsuits, and bankruptcy. But there are other issues a beneficiary can face that you can prepare for in your estate plan. Social service programs like SSI and Medicaid, which are vital programs for the disabled and elderly, have stringent asset limits for their participants. Often, even a small inheritance would disqualify a participant from his or her program. To prevent this from happening in your family, your estate plan should include contingency planning that would place the inheritance of such a beneficiary inside a special trust called a supplemental needs trust. This will allow your family member to still benefit from an inheritance, but not be disqualified from SSI or Medicaid. There's yet another thing to think about, and it's kind of scary. What if your family member develops an addiction, say to gambling, booze, or other substances? It can happen to anybody. Or what if there's a debilitating psychiatric issue, some of which aren't typically diagnosed until well into adulthood? You wouldn't want your estate to just cut that person a check with no strings attached. Instead, your estate plan should have contingency planning that holds back control of an inheritance from such a beneficiary. They could still benefit from it, but wiser minds would be holding the purse, so to speak, until that person's issues have been resolved, if possible. This type of planning is important for ensuring that your estate won't do more harm than good to your family. But it's not easy to implement, and a simple 5-page will is just not going to cut it. To learn more about how to draft an estate plan that protects your family, schedule a free initial appointment with McClear Law Office today.